think this is working. Let's just see. Hi Harshita. Hello everyone. I'm just figuring out how to make few things work here. Okay. So hi everyone. My name is Shivani and I'm the face behind My Bowl of Fun. Today, I'll just give a brief introduction. Just one sec. I'm just putting a message on this that what is this session about. Just give me a second. How do I anybody knows how to pin my comment? I don't think I can figure it out. I'm not sure. Anyways, so hi everyone. We are here to talk about. I've just started this new series which is called Chat with Creative Locals, where I'll be just chit chatting with a lot of people who are in small and medium businesses. And I think this will be a good way to introduce that brand to everybody and to know how what amazing work these people are doing. And I'm a great supporter of small and medium businesses. So I think without just wasting our time, let's just quickly get started. And I think I'll ask Shivangi to join the chat, who's our one sec. Yeah, Shivangi, if you can just send me a request. Okay, let's. She's just coming.
Hi, Shivani.
Hi, can you see me, Shivangi?
Yeah, yeah, I
Hey,
can.
hi Shivangi, how are you doing?
How are you? I'm
I'm
good.
doing
How are
good.
you?
I'm doing good. And firstly, I really want to thank you for joining and giving some
Thank
time
you
for
for
this session.
having me over.
Yes, I'm glad. So everyone who has joined, this is Shivangi. She's the face behind the Sweet Affairs. She is a trained chef and a baker, and she's a certified baker and a chef, and she does amazing work, like
Thank you
all
so
the
much.
cake and her gift hampers, everything. She's done a really good job at it. So the topic for today's discussion is career in baking, and about in general, like what are the like if you're choosing a creative career like baking, what are the challenges? What are the what exactly a person has to go through and all. So I think let's just quickly get started, Shivangi. And I just want to start with asking, how did you start your journey? Like your baking journey. How did it all started?
So, I think I was in school when I baked my first cake.
Okay.
And baking kind of it runs in my family. So when I was little and I used to go to my nanny's place, she used to bake cakes for us all the time, chocolate and vanilla, जो भी हम लोग को पसंद होता था. And
Nice.
then I've seen my mother bake for us. She used to bake this typical chocolate sponge cake of hers that both my brother and I we used to love, and we used to fight for it. So I
Okay.
think it's somewhere in my genes to bake. I've seen the women in my house bake, and you know. So once I just picked up my mother's recipe and I tried it, and that was the first time I tried my hand at baking, and I was terrible. The cake was so hard, I had to throw it away.
Okay.
So that was my first time. But I don't know, something about baking always kind of intrigued me. So,
Okay.
I started reading about it more. I kind of started watching a lot of videos on YouTube. And that's how I started picking up certain, tips and tricks about how one can not screw up their cakes. So I
Okay.
started baking more. I started baking for my family and for my friends' birthdays. I used to take cakes for them,
Okay.
and everyone loved it. So
Interesting.
everyone used to tell me how amazing those cakes were. Everyone really enjoyed it, and they were looking forward ki birthday aa raha hai, Shivangi is gonna bring a cake. So
So,
that kind of
yeah.
yes.
No, no, continue.
So that kind of pushed me to bake even more and to pursue this further.
Okay.
So there was a lot of appreciation from their end. A lot of my friends told me, ki, why don't you start taking orders and why don't you start baking like not just for family and friends but for others too.
Okay.
So
So this was all in your hometown which you were doing,
yes, this was all
and you
in
were studying
Calcutta.
that time.
Yeah, I was in college at that time. I
Okay.
was doing my CA and CS on the side.
Okay.
So my days used to be really hectic. Like I had 15 hours working days. So
Okay.
after that, baking was like a stress buster for me. I used to look forward to it. So
Interesting.
yeah.
So that's how you started. So like you just mentioned that you were doing CA and you were doing preparing for CFA, and from there
CS.
to doing ending up doing a course like a professional course at Academy of History Arts in Delhi. How did, like, from CA, from a finance background, how did you end up landing up in a baking academy? And like what was the reason? What happened like suddenly?
No, I wasn't. I was doing my CA. I was really busy with it, but I wasn't happy somewhere.
Okay.
I wasn't enjoying it. I wasn't, it used to feel like a kind of a drag. So, your
Okay.
work, I think, should be something that you look forward to, something you enjoy. So,
Absolutely.
it
Yeah.
was during that time that I asked myself if I really wanted to do this on a, for years. I asked myself, what do I see myself doing till probably when I turn 60? And
Okay.
somehow CA was not the answer to that.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I'm sure. I mean,
then
baking and CA are completely like opposite, like really, really opposite
very different. Everyone
career
asks
options.
me this.
But like, I really want to understand how easy or difficult was it for you to take that call that, from, of course, if you finish your CA, your CFA, you'll end up landing in a stable job versus choosing a career as a chef or a baker where you don't know, like, and still, I think that's what my opinion is. Maybe I'm wrong, that in India, like a career in as a baker or as a chef might not be as stable versus versus doing a 9 to 5 job or
Correct.
office. So what happened? Like, what were the decisions? What were the key points that you thought that what was the, like, I really need to do this? And how did you ended up deciding on this pastry academy which you joined? Like, we want to know about what the course which you joined.
About the course.
Yeah.
So, I was very skeptical about it at first because,
Okay.
I had already given 5 years of the prime time of my life to CA
Yeah.
already. 5 years
Wow.
is not a short period of time.
Yeah.
So it was very difficult first to convince myself and then to convince my family कि
Okay.
CA is something that I don't want to do and baking is something that I want to pursue further. So as a my best friend and I, we even started a small home bakery. So she was
Okay.
also great at baking. She also used to enjoy baking a lot. So we started a bakery from home. We started baking from home by the name of the Cake Couture, and
Okay.
we worked together for a couple of months.
Okay.
And that made me realize even further the rush of it. During peak hours when you're working, you're
Yeah.
pulling all nighters, and you're getting up early in the morning and the entire process, it excited me a lot. And that's when I realized that nahi, I want to do this professionally. This is something that I see myself doing for the rest of my life.
Wow.
So
So that clarity
finally,
was
I
there
realized
after you started, like when you collaborated with your friend, you got that confidence that यही करना है. Like, I have to do
yes,
this.
तब
Nice.
I realized कि नहीं यही करना है.
Okay.
So then I started the process of convincing my parents, which was
Okay.
really
So how
difficult
difficult was
initially.
it? Like when you said you wanted to convince your parents, like why is there a need to convince your parents? What were the concerns they had? basically in this?
What you said, Shivani, the same thing that CA is in India, it's seen as a more stable sort of a profession.
Yeah.
But baking is not that stable, at least in the initial years. So you don't really get a steady flow of income out of it.
Got it.
So that was, I think, my parents' major apprehension ki whether it's going to work out or not, and how financially viable this is going to be in the future.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, plus already, having given 5 years to CA,
CPA.
they wanted me to first complete CA and then go in for this. But then,
That would have
you
never
know,
happened.
I
Okay.
had already reached my finals. यार मैंने एक बार finals attempt दे भी दिया था.
Wow.
But
My God.
I was like कि
And
यार
still you
I
did not complete it and you went ahead and did the pastry course.
I think
Wow.
that
That's a lot of determination and lot of, it needs a lot, you need a lot of guts to do that. It's like really amazing.
I
Wow,
don't know
Shivani.
how I did it at that point of time. Now that I think about it, I somewhere get goosebumps. But
Yeah.
उस टाइम पे कहीं से I just gathered enough courage to convince my parents कि नहीं ठीक है,
Okay.
let me pursue this further. They
Okay.
initially they hesitated, and I think if I think from their point of view, they were right. मतलब
Absolutely. Yeah.
parents के point of view से it's very natural to think
And that
कि
concern. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
what if it doesn't work out? They're thinking the best for me. But
Sure.
then I was determined. I was like, "Nahi, this is something I'm passionate for. This is something I need to do. This is, I don't want to regret in the future कि यार अभी pursue कर लेती तो
Yeah.
I might not have been working a 9 to 5 अभी."
Yeah.
So I finally, after I think it took me 4 or 5 months to convince them, and finally when they agreed, then I started on my research कि कहाँ से करना चाहिए.
Okay.
So I looked up a lot of pastry schools. There were not so many at that point of time, but then
When did you do this course? It
I
was which
joined in
year?
October 2017.
Okay.
My
Just
my batch
nice.
began in 2017,
Okay.
and so I did it from the Academy of Pastry Arts, the Gurgaon branch.
Okay.
So my academy, it also has a branch in Bangalore and in Mumbai, and I chose the Gurgaon one because I had a few relatives in Delhi. In fact, I have a lot of relatives, so it would have been easier to
Got it.
adjust there.
Okay.
So
Tell
apart
me
from the
something,
academy,
yeah, about the course, Shivangi. Let's just like if you can tell us something about this course which you did. What was your experience? What was like, what is like, what do you think about this course? Like in India, there are so many institutes which are teaching like in small scale or big scale. What is the scope of studying professionally at an institute like this?
see, Shivani, it's not a mandatory thing to do. I would like to say that first. There are a lot of self-taught bakers I know, and they're doing some amazing work.
Yeah.
So it's not something that आपको करना ही करना है, that you have to get a degree in order to be able to work professionally. But then
Okay.
I was determined कि if this is something if I need to do for the next 40 years of my life,
Yeah.
I think I should get some more technical knowledge about it.
Okay.
हर चीज़ आप YouTube से नहीं सीख सकते हो.
Okay.
So I decided to go for it, and then I looked up online. I read reviews. I spoke to a lot of people. I spoke to the alumni of the academy, and
Okay.
then when I heard positive reviews from everywhere, so I finally decided to join the academy, and I don't regret it. It was a crazy
Nice.
experience I had. So
Okay.
the course I did my advanced diploma from there. So it's a
So,
9 to
where,
10
can you
month.
just repeat the institute name? Because I think some new users have joined, so they would definitely
Okay.
be. Yeah.
So it's the Academy of Pastry Arts, the Gurgaon branch. That's where I
Okay.
did my advanced diploma in pastry from.
Okay.
So
Right.
my course was, it was of 9 to 10 months, the
Okay.
advanced diploma,
Okay.
and it had three segments:
Okay.
the basic, the intermediate, and the advanced.
Okay.
And they were 3 months each. and in each of the segment there were different topics that we covered in we covered one topic per week. So if we were doing breads for one entire week, we would be doing breads. If we're doing chocolates for that
You
entire
were doing
week,
chocolate.
we'd be making chocolates.
Okay.
So we covered a lot of topics like this. We had breads and we had chocolates and we had chocolate display, sugar display,
Okay.
and petit gâteau and entremets and cookies and travel cakes, all of that.
So,
So
like a quick question, like since you have done a professional course, do you think for like somebody who is like a budding baker or who's interested in choosing a career in in baking industry, do you think this is a good institute, or do you think there are other institutes which which people can join in India and maybe outside?
So no, this is a fabulous institute. I think it's one of the best in India.
Okay.
And even during the classes, we had absolutely amazing chefs. So
Okay.
all of them had a lot of years of work experience. They've worked in five-star hotels, and after that only they joined our academy. So all of them, apart from being very knowledgeable about things,
Yeah.
because it's very important to know your basics, to
Okay.
be able to teach. So
Okay.
not only were they very knowledgeable about things, they also conducted classes in such a way that they made it fun. Plus,
Okay.
even post the course, even now I keep pestering them ki yaar chef, this is, I can't make this, or the final product I'm not happy with it,
You
this
get
is
a
the
lot of
problem I'm
guidance from them
facing.
still.
Yeah, even now none of them ever say no to helping. All of them are ever ready. I get instant replies from them.
Okay.
So it's been fabulous.
Okay.
And apart from that, there are a few more pastry schools in India. There's
Okay.
Lavon in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Then there's SEP in Mumbai, School of European Pastry.
Okay.
So I think these are the top three. And
Okay.
abroad, of course, Le Cordon Bleu is the best pastry school in the
So
world.
any
I think
plans
it's
to join that?
every.
Any
Not
plans
yet.
to join? No? Okay.
Not yet, but I wish to one day. I
Nice.
want to go
Nice.
to LCB one day.
Interesting. That's really helpful to know that after you're almost reaching, you were doing your CA and you were at your final exams and everything. You still had the guts to leave it and join a professional academy and followed your like your dream job kind of thing. And it's really commendable to know. I wasn't aware that you
Thank you.
were almost done doing CA. It takes a lot of guts. I just
No,
have like
thanks.
there is one more question which I want to understand. Like I want to ask you, what is your view on healthy baking? And like, what do you think? Do you think customers in India are mature enough to understand about healthy baking, or about ingredients like millets, jaggery, or whole wheat? Like like all these healthy replacements in healthy baking. What is your take on it?
Shivani, I think there's a. I've worked, in the Sweet Affair for like, I think it's been 10 months now. So,
Yeah.
over 10 months, I've noticed a trend. Ki, all my clients in age groups that are above 40, 50, in their 50s probably, they are still inclined towards cream cakes. They want to go in for their classic black forest or the pineapple
Yeah.
pudding or a butterscotch
Okay.
maybe. But
Okay.
then the younger population has become really aware of what they're eating. So all of them have become really diet conscious. They
Yeah.
are careful about what ingredients are going into whatever they're eating.
Okay.
And since a lot of the younger population is also working in the MNCs, they
Yeah.
feel really, they want something to munch on. So,
Yeah.
you can't munch on unhealthy stuff all the time. So, I
Yeah.
think that's where healthy baking comes in, where you have sugar cravings also, but you
But you
don't
don't
really
want
want to
like
indulge.
okay. Okay.
So, that's where the guilt free desserts kind of come in. And
Nice. Nice.
I think the
Very
most,
interesting.
even you're working with healthy baking, your entire menu is based on healthy baking, so
Yeah.
you'll be able to relate. The most
Yeah.
important thing
Absolutely.
with healthy baking, I think, is ingredient substitution. So,
Yeah.
what we are using in place of the unhealthy ingredients, like instead of flour, if we are using whole wheat flour, or if we are using ragi flour or oats flour,
Yeah.
or in case of sugar, we are using jaggery or dates or brown sugar. So I think it's growing. The healthy baking industry in India is really growing, and it's going to grow even
Go
further.
further. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good and a relief. Yeah. Nice, yeah, very nice, Shivani. But like it's really nice to know your thoughts, and I think a lot of people will like, at least people who want to, like, I don't know how many people like whoever has joined, maybe at least this chat will help them to understand that, for choosing a career in baking, there's a lot of hope and scope, and it's a good field to choose.
Of
So there's
course, I
like
think.
it is, yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think it just takes that you just need to be sure about what you want to do and just go for it. I think that's what I feel. One quick tip for a lot of baking related questions. Now, one very most important tip which you want to give for all the you know amateur bakers, home bakers. If you're in lockdown, they're doing a lot of things. I think if you can share a healthy recipe, that will be really nice.
So I've just uploaded a healthy recipe on my page. It's a
Okay.
healthy homemade granola version, because
Okay.
the ones you get in the market, they're loaded with sugar. They're not as healthy as they claim it to be. So I think the
Okay.
best way out is to make it at home, and it's really simple. So
Okay.
I think the viewers would like to, if they want, they can go to my page. It's up there on my story,
Okay.
and they can screenshot it, and once they make it, they can tag us in their stories. If they have any problems, they can ping me, and then I'll be most happy to help.
Okay. Sure. So, guys, whoever wants to, at Shivangi's page is at the Sweet Affair. I think I've shared a lot of stories and a post on where you can find her page. Please, like at least Kolkata folks and Delhi folks can actually reach out to her for ordering amazing bakes and cakes and guilt-free munchies. So her page is there. Check out her page, download the recipe, and I think that will be awesome. So yeah, okay. I think we are done. Do you think is there any questions which we have? Let me just quickly check if anyone has asked any question. I A lot of people have said hi, hello, everything, but I don't see
Hi
any
everyone.
specific question. But yeah, I think thanks everyone for joining it, and and thanks Shivangi for giving all the time. I think we'll end the
Thank you,
chat now.
Shivani, for
Okay.
having me over.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Great
Bye.
talking to you.
Same here. Bye.
Bye.